Today in the Joy of Cooking, I'll be showing you all 3 raita recipes, specially for the Vrat. It's the Ashadhi Ekadashi special video. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. So let's learn how to make the raita, specially for the Vrat. Vrat special cucumber raita. Require peeled and finely chopped cucumber, salt, lemon juice, green chilies chopped, roasted crushed peanuts, cumin seeds, coriander leaves, powdered sugar, ghee and freshly scraped coconut. So first I'll take a ghee in a pan. You may use groundnut oil if you want to. And then I'll add the cumin seeds to it. Let them splatter. I will add finely chopped green chilies to it now. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Okay. In another mixing bowl, I will take the peeled and finely chopped cucumber. Then to it I will add powdered sugar as per taste, roasted crushed peanuts or groundnuts, freshly scraped coconut for some more good taste, some salt, lemon juice for the sour taste, and mix well. Let everything combine well. Then to this I will add the tempering. This is warm right now. Okay. I'll mix it nicely till everything combines well, and then add the coriander leaves to it. Mix it well and add roasted crushed peanuts. Some more peanuts. Okay. And this is how our cucumber raita Vrat special recipe is ready. Banana raita. We require peeled and chopped bananas, yogurt or curd, powdered sugar, green chilies, coriander leaves, ghee, salt and cumin seeds. So in a pan I'll heat the ghee. You may use groundnut oil. Once the ghee has melted, to the ghee I will add cumin seeds and green chilies. In a mixing bowl I will take the curd, which is beaten and smooth, pinch of salt, powdered sugar as per your like. Mix everything well and add the bananas to it. Again mix well and add the tempering, which is at the room temperature. Mix everything really well and top it with some coriander leaves, which are completely optional. So this is how our banana raita is ready. Pumpkin raita. We require pumpkin. I have sliced them into cubes. Then this is curd or yogurt, cumin seeds, green chilies cut into finely cut. Then this is coriander leaves, ground nuts crushed, and ghee, salt and water. We'll add ghee to a pan. Let it heat properly. I'll add cumin seeds to this. Let them crackle. This raita is specially for the upvas or the days of fasting, when people fast and eat very limited items. So this is one of the recipe which is tasty yet healthy. I will add pumpkin. Mix it well. I'll add salt as per taste so that the pumpkins will cook fast. Mix it well. Add very little water and then cover it with the lid. I will open the lid now after 2 minutes and then mix it really well. Now I will cover it with a lid and let it cook on high flame. I will add little more water and cover it with the lid. I'll check it after 2 to 3 minutes. So now this is done. It is cooked nicely. We don't have to overcook it. I'll add green chilies, mix it and let it cook for next 1 minute and then switch off the flame. I'll switch off the flame now and let it cool down at room temperature. I have transferred this to a bowl and it has cooled down completely at room temperature. So just mash it a little. We don't want it to be finely mashed, just roughly with a fork. Very roughly actually. If you don't do it also it's fine. But I find it better. So I just mash it a little. So here as you can see now, roughly mashed pumpkins are ready. Like some are whole cubes and some are mashed thoroughly. Now time to add our curd. Mix it well. I'll add roasted crushed peanuts because this is specially for the vrat. So ground peanuts are really important. I'll add coriander leaves. You may skip this totally if you don't have coriander, but just don't eat it when you have your fasts. And this is ready. Now here it is very important to check the seasoning because I've already added salt while cooking the pumpkin. So if the seasoning is not proper, just adjust it according to your taste and this is ready. Serve it chilled or you may use chilled curd if you wish to serve this immediately. I like to garnish it with some more peanuts, the ground peanuts, and these are actually roasted. And our pumpkin raita is ready. So this is how our Ashadhi Ekadashi special raita recipes are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.